Hello everyone, today we will give you how to burn music to a CD with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Go to the CD burner. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below to download. Go to Toolbox and click the CD burner. Step 2. Add audio files to CD burner. Add the music files to UniConverter and connect your CD to computer and choose it on the burner. Step 3. Burn music to CD. After all settings are completed, click on the Burn button to start burning songs to CD. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.